Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my video. This is, if you can't tell, this is my first ever video. This is my first ever PC build, and I've been doing a lot of research, watching a lot of videos on YouTube to figure out what it is I wanted to put in my first PC build. So I wanted to give a quick shout out to Jay's 2 Cents, Paul's Hardware, Bit with Kyle, Linus. You guys make tons of videos. I've watched a ton of your videos, and your influence is definitely in the parts that I picked. So what parts did I pick? Let's see. So first off, for the CPU, we've got the Ryzen 7 3700X, and then we're going to put that in this Asus ROG Strix X570E gaming motherboard. For memory, we've got a little bit of an overkill, I know, but they had a sale and it's hard to not buy two sets when they're on sale. So I got two sets of 32 gigabyte DDR4 3600 memory, and this is by G-Skill. It's the Ripjaw 5 series. For a boot drive, we're going to go with this NVMe 1 terabyte drive by Kingston. I believe it's the KC2000, and we have a secondary 2.5-inch drive that's a 4 terabyte drive. For GPU, we're going to use this Asus ROG Strix 2070 Super GPU. Powering all of this, we got a 1200 watt 80 plus gold rated power supply by RaidMax. Actually, when I got this, I was getting the 1000, but they upgraded me to the 1200 free of charge, so that was great. We also have some of these sleeve extensions by Antex that we're going to be using here. I did get this AIO cooler on a Black Friday deal. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or use the Wraithspire cooler that comes with the processor. I'll probably save this because I've got a friend that wants to do a build, and so we might just put it in his build. But how are we going to keep all this stuff cool? We've got 9 fans from Be Quiet, the Shadow Wings 2. So we're going to put 9 fans in this case. This case is the Lian Li 011 Dynamic. Beautiful case. When I saw this, I knew I wanted to use this case, and so this was actually the first thing I purchased several months ago, and as I started piecing this all together. So I'll have a list of all of these parts in the description below that you guys can see what you want and click on the links to go find it and buy it if you want. Thanks a lot. We'll get going on building this PC. Alright, so let's see if we get a post here. Gotta turn this on. Oh, we've already got some lights lighting up, so that's good. Okay, I see lights on the graphics card, lights on the motherboard, but I'm wondering if I've got my power button not connected right. So let me try again. All right, let's try this again. Let's see if I got it correct now. And so we gotta fix the positive and negative on the power switch again. All right, let's try this again. Let's see. And okay, let's try this again. Okay, we're gonna try this again. See if we can get a post. Okay, let's try this again. Mother. Okay, as you can see, I have no computer, no motherboard in my computer. Turns out that I couldn't get it to post, and found out that my motherboard actually had a bad DIMM slot. So I sent that motherboard back, and of course the other motherboards I was looking for, I couldn't just get another one right back out to me. So I ended up getting this MSI motherboard. It's the Meg X570 Ace by MSI. And so another rookie mistake that I made is just putting it together before testing it out. I also put my fans in the wrong direction. These are meant to be intake, and then that's supposed to be exhaust. So anyway, so I've switched those around, and now I've got everything over here installed on the new motherboard, and we're going to test it to see if we can get this to work outside of the case. Then we'll put it all in and see if everything works inside the case. So let me just let's just give this a shot. So we got power on, and hey, it's a good sign. And I forgot to plug in my keyboard. But as we wait for that to post, I'll go grab my keyboard. All right. Okay, so it looks like we've got a post here. Hey, all right, so there we go. We're in the BIOS. Let's see if it recognizes our memory. Yep. We've got 4 16 gig sticks of memory. That's recognizing all of those. Okay, I did install our M.2 drive, and that's showing up here as well. Okay, so I'm going to power this down and then install everything back in the case, and we should be good to go. Okay, so here we are. We've got this all done here. I've cable managed as much as I can. I want to tuck this away somewhere, but I guess right there for now is okay. You can see in there kind of, it's not too great, but it's all tucked behind this nice cover, and then that will be covered, so I don't have to really worry about that. Got the fans situated correctly. We've got everything installed in here, and we're ready to go. Should be able to fire it up now and get a post. Look at that. All my fans are spinning. Hey, and we have a post, it appears. Okay, well, I'm going to install Windows and then get everything going, and I'll leave it from there. So guys, what do you think of my rig? I've got to go through and put it all together, get some peel action going there, and get the covers on, and I'll shoot some B-roll footage of that. Okay, get some peel action going here.